Today we will solve the exercise 9, first exercise problem, that is a circus. A circus artist is climbing a 20-meter long rope. A circus artist is climbing up a 20-meter long rope, and the rope is tied, which is tightly stretched and tied from the top of a vertical pole to the ground. So what it says that this rope, which is tightly stretched and tied to the top of a pole, this is a pole. This rope is tied to the top of a pole, and the pole is vertically placed at the ground. Find the height of the pole if the angle made by the rope with the ground is 30 degree. We have to find out the height of this pole when the rope make an angle of 30 degree with the ground. So we have to find out the height. The given is here. The given is AC. As you can see, the rope AC 20 meters long. The angle is given, angle C, with the rope which is making the angle with the ground is 30 degree. That is, we can consider it as angle C, an acute angle 30 degree. AB we have to find out. So what we will do, we will consider this right triangle. We will consider this right triangle ABC. Right triangle ABC we will consider. Since we know that here we don't know the both side, we know the hypotenuse. If we consider this right triangle, we know the value of hypotenuse. We don't know the value of adjacent and opposite. So if we know the hypotenuse, which trigonometric ratio we can use? We can use either sine or cos. So we will use sine theta. Clear? So sine theta, if we use, what it says that sine theta is opposite to the acute angle by hypotenuse. What is the opposite here? Opposite is AB, and to divided by hypotenuse. What was that? Opposite by hypotenuse. So if we substitute the value of hypotenuse 20 AC and sine 30. Sine 30 is 1 by 2 and AC is 20. If we substitute, we will get the height of a pole, that is AB is 10 meter. Clear? Like this you can find out the height of anything. Here there is given a pole in this exercise. Sometime it will give your electric pole, tree. So whatever it is given, you can find out with this with the help of trigonometric ratios. We can find out the height of something which is given in the your question problem. First you have to analyze the question. You have to write the given part. You have to draw the figure, and then you go to the what trigonometric ratio you can use. Clear? Next exercise problem is, here there is given a tree breaks due to the storm, and the broken part bends so that the top of a tree touches the ground, making an angle of 30 degree with it. So what it says that one tree is there. Suppose this is a tree. This is a tree. This is a tree. So what it happens, due to the storm, a tree, this much part has been broken. This part has been broken and fallen down. So what it says that fallen down and touches the ground and make with the ground an angle of 30 degree. This fallen part broken down in a 30 degree inclined way. So what it says that it makes an angle of 30 degree with the ground. The distance between the foot of the tree to the point where the top touches the ground is 8 meters. The distance between your tree, originally where the tree is, and to the point where the top of the tree touches is 8 meter. The distance between these two is 8 meter. Find the height of a tree. We have to find out the height of a tree. So basically we want to find out the height, that is even AB of a tree. But totally the height of a tree is the broken part. Which part has been broken down and fall due to storm, that is AC, and AB. AB plus AC will give you the total height. The broken part and the part which is remaining on the tree, that together forms a total height of a tree. So first we will consider the right triangle. Here there is a right triangle. So we will consider this right triangle ABC. So here the cos theta is, if you, here what it says that you can use the trigonometric ratio cos theta. The question arises that why we will use the cos theta only, we can use the tan theta, cot theta, sin theta. So what happened here is, we don't know the value of, if we take a tan theta, what it says, opposite by hypotenuse, sorry, opposite by adjacent. So what we will do here is, if we take the sine theta is nothing but what you say, sine theta is AB by AC. If we take AB by AC, we don't know the value of AB, we don't know the value of AC. With two values we don't know, only we know the sine 30. So we cannot calculate it further and get the values. So what we do, which value is available, one of the value available, and what we can use, based upon that, what trigonometric ratio we can use, we have to analyze that. And right here we can use the cos theta. Cos theta is adjacent by hypotenuse. So here there is a adjacent to this acute angle. C is 8 meters, CB. So we know the CB. Hypotenuse is AC. We can calculate the hypotenuse. This is a broken part of your tree. Here it forms a hypotenuse. So we can calculate this hypotenuse. When cos theta is adjacent by hypotenuse, so if we know the BC, that is a broken part, with the help of this this distance between the broken part and the tree, original tree, there is a 8 meter, that forms a adjacent. Whereas this hypotenuse AC is a broken part, we have to calculate this, so we don't know this value. So when we place this cos 30, when we substitute the values, cos 30 by adjacent 8 by AC. So when we substitute the value, cos theta is nothing but root 3 by 2 and 8 by AC, when we will get AC is equals to 16 root 3 meters. So this is the 16 root 3 meters is a height of the broken part. This broken part length is 16 root 3 meters. So if we consider the tan 30, if we take the tan 30, as we know that we know the hypotenuse, we know the base, we want a opposite side. We want to know this opposite side. So what we will do, we will take the tan 30 is equals to AB opposite by adjacent. Tan theta is equals to opposite by adjacent. So we will take the opposite by adjacent. So we will take the opposite by adjacent, that is AB. From this triangle, opposite is AB by BC. Tan 30 is 1 by root 3, AB by 8, that is you get AB is equals to root 8 root 3. So this is your 8 root 3 we will get. Clear? So, but the thing is, we here want a total height. So what we will do is, for total height finding, we need a value of AB and AC. We have the value of AB and AC. We will substitute this AB and AC value. See here, AB plus AC, the total height is AB plus, CB. The total height is AB plus CB. The total height of a tree, as you see that, the total height is this AB plus the broken part which is fallen down. This together forms the total height. So we have to write AB value plus AC value. That gives the total height of your total height of your tree. Clear? So here it is, we can write it as 16 root 3 plus 8 root 3, we can write it as like this. Yes. So what we will get is 24 root 3 we will get. So 24 root 3 we can write it as 8 into 3, 8 3 so 24. So 3 can be written in the root form 3 into 3, root 3 into root 3 by root 3 if we divide. So root 3 get cancels, we will get the 8 root 3 meters our answer. So our answer will be 8 root 3 meters. Clear? So here 8 root 8 3 meters. Sorry, here what we have done is, when we do the cross multiplication, 8 will go here. So your value of AB will be 8 root 3. The value of AB will be root 8 divided by root 3. So what is your total tree height is? Total tree height is 8 root 3 meters. Total tree height is 8 root 3 meters. So is it clear? Like this you can find out the height.